Good morning, students. Today's topic is how are the electrons distributed in the different orbit, or you can say that the electronic configuration. It means the arrangement of electrons in the various energy levels of an atom is called as electronic configuration. This arrangement of electrons in various energy levels is given by Niels Bohr and J.B. Bury. According to this rule, this is the Bohr-Bury rule. Electrons fill up the lowest energy level first. It means the electrons which have lowest energy, that is first fill. Second is the maximum number of electrons is given by the formula 2n square, where n is equal to number of orbit. Means with the help of 2n square formula, the maximum number of electrons can be easily calculated. If n value is equal to 1, then putting this value here, 2 multiply 1 ka square, that is equal to 2 electrons. If n value is equal to 2, then 2 multiply 2 ka square, that is equal to 8 electrons. If n value is equal to 3, then 2 multiply 3 ka square, that is equal to 18 electron. And if n value is equal to 4, then 2 multiply 4 ka square, that is equal to 32 electrons. So this n is the number of number of orbit, or you can say that energy levels, and these are the electrons. So by the help of this formula 2n square, we can easily fill the number of electrons in the different orbit. Third point is the outermost shell cannot have more than 18 electrons. Here we take the example. Suppose this is hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atoms having one mass number and one atomic number, and this is the symbol of hydrogen. In K and L shell, n value is equal to 1, means if n value is equal to 1, this one is K shell. So here first fill the atomic number is 1, means 1 electrons is present. So this is the nucleus, and here protons and neutrons are present. In hydrogen atom, one proton is present, but neutron is 0, because mass number minus atomic number, that is equal to number of neutron. So 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. Here 0 neutrons are present, and only 1 electron is present. So electron is present around the nucleus. In K shell only 1 electron, so here 1 electrons you will show. So this is the electronic configuration of hydrogen atom. This one electrons goes to the lowest energy cell या level. So this is K shell. So here we put this electron. Now next example is oxygen. Here mass number of oxygen is 16 and atomic number is 8. Then after write the electronic configuration, that is K and L shell, that is 2 and 6. Total is 8. So here 8 electrons are present, 8 protons are present, and 16 minus 8, that is 8 neutrons are present. So in this case 8 protons and 8 neutrons are present. This is nucleus. After that in K shell only 2 electrons are present. The maximum number of electrons is 2. You can fill only 2 electrons, but not more than 2. So here 2 electrons are present here. You can fill anywhere in this circle. Circle means orbit. and these 6 electrons is present in L shell. So 6 electron 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So this is the electronic distribution of electrons. Now next is potassium, atomic number 19, mass number 39. Here the electronic distribution is KLMN shell. In K shell 2 electrons are present, L shell total 8 electrons are present. Maximum 8 electron you can fill in the L shell. And M shell 8 electrons are present, and N remaining is 1 is left, so here 1 is present. So you can fill in this manner also. In the case of potassium, number of electrons is 19 and proton is also 19, but neutron is mass number minus atomic number. Here 20 is the number of neutron. So in the nucleus 19 proton and 20 neutrons are present, and after that in K shell 2 electrons are present, L shell 8 electrons are present, M cell 8 electrons are present, and in N cell only 1 electron is present. So this is the electronic distribution. Means arrangement of electrons within an atom. Now you can see the electronic configuration of first 20 elements. Hydrogen, atomic number 1, symbol is H. In K cell only 1 electrons are present, so short representation of electronic configuration is 1. Helium, atomic number 2, in K shell only 2 electrons are present. Maximum 2 electrons you can fill in the K shell. Lithium, number of electrons is 3. Here in K shell 2 and L shell 1 electrons are present, so electronic configuration is 2, 1. Beryllium, atomic number 4, K shell 2 electrons are present, L shell 2 electrons are present, so configuration is 2, 2. In case of boron, number of electrons is 5, K shell 2 electrons, L shell 3 electrons, so 2, 3 is the electronic configuration. Carbon, atomic number 6, 2 in K cell, 4 electrons in L shell, 2, 4. Nitrogen, 2 in K shell and 5 in L shell, it will 2, 5. Oxygen, atomic number 8, 2 in K shell, in L shell 6 electrons are present, so its configuration is 2, 6. In L shell maximum 8 electrons you can fill. Next, fluorine 9, 2 in K shell, 7 electrons in L shell, 2, 7. Next is neon, here 2 in K shell and 8 electrons in L shell, here 2, 8 is present. Sodium 11, 2 electrons in K shell, 8 electrons in L shell, this is completely filled. After that next electron goes to M shell, then 2, 8, 1. In M cell you can also fill 8 electrons. Magnesium 12, 2 in K shell, L shell 8 electrons are present, M shell 2 electrons are present, 2, 8, 2. Aluminium, atomic number 13, here in K shell 2 electrons, L 8 electrons and 3 in M cell, 2, 8, 3. Silicon 14, here in K shell 2 electrons are present and L shell 8 electrons are present and M cell 4 electrons are present, 2, 8 and 4. In phosphorus atom, here 2 electrons are present. In K shell, L shell 8 electrons are present, M shell 5 electrons are present, 2, 8, 5. In sulfur atom, atomic number is 16, here 2 electrons in K shell, 8 electrons in L shell and 6 electrons in M cell. So its configuration is 2, 8 and 6. Chlorine, atomic number 17. Here in K shell 2, 8 and 7. 8 electrons in L shell and 7 electrons in M shell. Configuration is 2, 8 and 7. Now next is argon 18. Here in K shell 2 electrons are present, M shell 8 electrons are present, and N shell 8 electrons are present. So 2, 8 and 18. Now next is potassium, atomic number 19. Here 2 electrons in K shell, 8 electrons in L shell, 8 electrons in M shell, and next electrons goes to N shell. Here 2, 8, 8, 1. Calcium, atomic number 20. Here 2 electrons in K shell, 8 electrons in L shell, 8 electrons in M shell, and remaining 2 electrons are present in N shell. So 2, 8, 8 and 2. So this is the electronic configurations, or electrons are arranged in various cells in an atom. This is the atomic number 1 to 20. How the electrons are arranged in different cells. Now the next topic is isotopes. Iso means same, means the atom of elements having same atomic number but different mass number. This is called as isotopes, means atomic number same but mass number different. Here we take the example, isotopes of hydrogen. This is protium, one mass number and one atomic number, and this is the symbol of hydrogen. This is protium, two mass number and one atomic number, that is deuterium. Third is three mass number and one atomic number. This is called as tritium. So these are the isotopes of hydrogen. In these isotopes, atomic number is same, 1, 1 and 1. So atomic number is same, that is 1, but mass number is different. In this case 1, in this case 2, and in tritium that is 3. Mass number is different. So this is the isotopes, and of which element? Hydrogen. Second, you take another example, that is isotopes of carbon. Carbon, atomic number 6, mass number 12. Carbon isotopes another, atomic number 6, mass number 13. Carbon, atomic number 6, mass number 14. In this case also atomic number is same, that is equal to 6, but mass number is different, that is 12, 13 and 14. So this is also called as isotopes. Next, isotopes of chlorine. Here the atoms are same, atom of the element, that is chlorine, that are same, but atomic numbers, that is also same, and here the mass number is different. Atomic number is same, that is equal to 17, but mass number is different. So this is also called as the isotopes of chlorine. Now, what are the characteristics of isotopes? Isotopes have same atomic number, means same number of protons. Second point, isotopes have same chemical properties. Third point, isotopes have different mass number